What kind of habits do you see in the rich people and poor people? How those are different?
Just rich people doesn't see the amount of the product. They still senseless. They even though they do not need of that, but they like it and they just pick it up and put it in that cart. And poor people was like, no, we will, if we will buy this product, we will use it at once and then we will not use. So they think that why should we buy this for one time use? So they think that I will use it one time, so we should not buy that. And some rich people think that we have money, we can buy happiness, but happiness, we can't buy happiness from money.
Who told you? What is
No
happiness?
one told me so. Happiness, we can get happiness from small things, but we can't buy happiness from money.
For example, what is
For
happiness?
example, we enjoy little things like that. I can't.
See, you don't know happiness. What is
I
happiness?
know, sir, but I can't get that examples.
You don't know what is happiness. What is happiness?
Exam marks have full marks, then I am happy.
Okay. So it says if he has good marks in the exam, that is happiness. Okay. How do you get this happiness?
I am studying.
Without pen or without notebook?
No.
With the pen and notebook and school fees, class fees, and from money, you get all these things, right? You pay fees. You pay something for the notebook, pen, book. So you are getting happiness with the money.
Oh.
Then what are those things which you can't buy with the money? Tell me. Come on. Because these are some of the sentences which are put in your brain by the rich people. Why? Why they put such kind of sentences in your brain? Because they want that you should not be a rich person. You should not compete with them. Therefore, they put such kind of sentences in your brain. So I tell in every lecture, have a logic. If you apply logic, you will get the real answers. Don't take as it is. Application of mind is very important. When you don't apply your mind, don't apply your logic, you become fool. Someone will fool you on the basis of such kind of sentences. The sentences which are related to emotions. They use your emotions to fool you. But don't be in a trap of such kind of people. We can buy happiness only with the help of money. Keep this in mind. If you don't have home, there is no happiness. We buy home with the help of money. So everything is on the basis of money. So why do these people do such kind of things? How do they do? They want that you should become a poor and poorer day by day. And therefore, they are making such kind of sentences for you. Take this, have a gift. So be careful while speaking any sentence. have a logic and go ahead in your life. It will be very helpful for you. In every lecture, I talk about logic, how you are wrong, how the society tells you wrong things, false statements. So that is very important to know what is wrong and right with the help of
Logic.
absolutely right. Logic. So we can buy everything with the help of
Money.
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 Very good. So, if you haven't seen or don't know the ad of Dubai tourism. When there was one event in the Dubai, I just forget the name of that event. The king of Dubai said that if you can't buy happiness with money, come to Dubai. We will give you happiness with them.
My happiness. Come to Dubai.
Ah, right. Want happiness? Come to Dubai.
Dialogue.
Means with the help of money you can buy. It is the basis on which you buy happiness. Such kind of emotional sentence